Speak Out Intermediate, Unit 1.2, Listening. In this part, you are going to listen to a set of instructions and do a test. It's going to be an enjoyable and a different kind of test. Let's go over some vocabulary items. Wire, noun. Wired, adjective. You are already familiar with the word wireless and wireless technologies. Brain, noun. Also, be careful about the spelling and the pronunciation of the plural and the singular forms. Look at the picture. Do you think male and female brains are different? How? What are the stereotypes of men and women in your country? As a pre-listening activity, you are going to read a short text. Now you can hit the pause key to read. Here is a quick comprehension check. According to the text, are these statements true or false? 1. Some researchers think male and female brains function in the same way. 2. Some researchers think women can do a lot of tasks at the same time. Answers. 1. Some researchers think that male and female brains are wired differently, so it is false. 2. Women might be better at multitasking, so it is true. Now we are going to listen and draw a picture. Take a piece of paper and a pencil. Listen to part 1 and 2 and follow the bike test instructions.
Unit 1, Recording 3. Part 1. Is your brain male or female? Well, you might think it's a strange question, but some researchers have found that men and women's brains are actually wired differently. So let's do a test to see if your brain is male or female. In a moment, we're going to ask you to draw a picture of a bicycle, so make sure you have a pen or pencil ready. Part 2. Okay, so I want you to draw a picture of a bicycle. You have exactly 1 minute, starting now. Make it as beautiful or normal as you like. Include as much detail as you can. You've got 45 seconds left. You've got another 15 seconds. You've got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Stop. Right, stop drawing, please. Now write down on your piece of paper whether you, the artist, are male or female. That's all we need to know for the experiment. Now turn to page 158 to see what a real bike looks like.
What did your bicycle look like? How many parts did your bike have? Could it work? Does it have a person on it? Before we listen to part 3, let's have a look at the parts of a bicycle in the picture. Handlebar, saddle, crossbar, chain, pedals, and wheels. Listen to the explanation in part 3 and check your picture here.
Unit 1, Recording 4. Part 3. Now count up the parts on your drawing. Did you include wheels, a handlebar, a saddle, a chain, a crossbar, pedals? Did your bike have at least 5 parts, and could it work? Now for the difference between the men's drawings of a bicycle and the women's. Female drawings often include a person riding the bike. Men's drawings don't usually include a person. This is a clear indication that women think people are important. Men, on the other hand, are more interested in getting the machine right. So how did you do? Is your brain male or female?
Discussion questions. Was the explanation correct for you? Do you agree with the presenter's view about the men and women? Women think people are important. Men, on the other hand, are more interested in getting the machine right. You can do the test with your family members or with your friends. Have fun.